Hello, Sundari. So I like to oil my hair in winters and I use the Plum Tea Tree shampoo. This is really great for dandruff. I absolutely love this one. Highly recommend. I try to keep this on my scalp because it really helps in removing dandruff as well as just making your hair feel super clean. You guys know I use a lot of different products. So right now I'm using the Garnier Fructus Hair Food Mask. This is really luscious and thick. I apply it and I keep it for max 2 to 3 minutes and then I wash it off. While I'm washing this off at the very end stage, I like to scrunch my hair underneath the water. Then I like to remove 75% of the water. Take my new Arata hair leave-in cream. This is something that I've just started to use. And I scrunch this into my hair, keeping the product mostly on the lens and not really touching my scalp. I again try to remove as much water as I can, and the very last step is one last zhuzh with a microfiber towel. You really need to remove extra water or else you'll get sick in winter time. And then I like to either sit in the sun and dry my hair, which is very rare because I have a lot of things to do, or I just sit inside the house, work, and let my hair dry while I scrunch it every now and then. This is what it looks like because I didn't use an oil as a last step, but it's still pretty good. Let me know your curly hair winter routines in the comments. Bye.